Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today, I'm going to show you how to make deviled eggs. Yummy. I love deviled eggs. Easter is approaching, it's this weekend, and two of my favorite things to eat on Easter are ham and deviled eggs. They're really easy to make. If I can do it, you can do it. Let's get started. All right, first off, we are going to need some hard-boiled eggs. If you don't know how to do hard-boiled eggs, I have a video that I did last year on how to do them. Really great video. I'll put a link down below. You can check that out if you want. All right, so first we want to separate our egg whites from the yolks. So we'll take our hard-boiled egg and then we're going to cut it lengthwise. Just like that. And then we want to just kind of take out the egg yolk and be careful not to damage your egg white. Also down below in the description you'll find the ingredients and the amounts. Now we have all of our egg yolks in here, and so what we're going to do is we're going to add our other ingredients. I'm going to start with the mayonnaise. Milk, pepper, paprika, salt, mustard powder, garlic powder. And then some other spices and ingredients you can add if you want are dill, parsley flakes, green onion. Now I'll take a fork and let's just mix this all together. Sometimes it helps to mash up the egg yolks first. Also, if you like your deviled eggs more on the dry side, then you can omit a little bit of mayonnaise and a little bit of the milk. All right, until it looks like that. You can keep mixing it until you get it as smooth as you want. But that's ready to go. So what we'll do, we'll take one of our egg whites here and we'll just take a spoon and we'll go ahead and spoon some in. Just like that, yummy. And then to give it that classic deviled egg look, come in here with a little bit of paprika. Just go ahead and top it off, garnish it with some paprika. Amazing, easy deviled eggs. All right, our deviled eggs are done. They turned out fantastic. They are really easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. Drop a comment down below and let me know what your favorite foods are to eat during Easter time. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions or comments or requests, put them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Also down below, you'll find links to my other social media accounts as well as my other YouTube channel in case you want to check those out. Take care. Time for me to dive into one of these. Oh yeah. Grab this guy right here.